We are at the doctor's. We have doctor's appointment, remember?
Are we stuck, Mom? No.
It says stop.
Stop.
Oh. Let's wait for our turn. Where are we, Samantha?
Mommy.
Yeah? Are we just waiting patiently?
Mommy, there's a TV.
Where's the TV? There's a TV here, but that's fine. We're just waiting. Oh, there's a small TV here. See? That's gorgeous.
Go toward him.
Yeah, but we're just waiting for the doctor for our turn, right?
Because there's no food shot in here.
No flu shot. That's right. Good job, baby.
Are we hiding from the wind?
Yeah, we're hiding from the wind.
So he won't find us.
Mm-hmm.
The wind won't find us.
Mm-hmm. It's just cold outside, right?
It's cool.
But we're fine.
Are we fine? Because we got our jackets.
That's right.
There's a baby chair.
You're smarty pants, Samantha.
There's a table.
Yeah, I know. You like the table?
It's a white. Look like we're back home.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, look like we're back home. Mommy, look at the window.
I know.
Look at the window.
You can see here from outside. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
I can see the washroom.
You can see the washroom, and they will call us for our turn later.
Oh, the chick, I can see the washroom. Mommy, they have some baby chair and a
Yeah.
window.
And a window.
Oh, let's go sit down.
We have to be
We're having a tea party.
tea party. Good job, Samantha.
This is for the tea party.
I know. Okay, your turn, Samantha. You know what Alex did, right? It's your turn. Good job. Okay, backward, backward, backward.
Let's grab that. So her weight is one.
Okay, stand tall, baby, stand tall.
There we go. I got different colored hair bobbles, hey? Sorry, this hair's a little bit in the way, but.
Oh, yes, that's
Yeah,
right.
there we go. Sorry, here, I'll do that
It's
quick.
okay.
There we go. Perfect.
Okay, you're good.
Step
Come on
away.
here.
Thank you.
So the other one is
The other one I'm thinking because the hair bubble was in the way.
yes. Okay.
Actually, no. Actually, I'm not going to
No,
say that.
yeah.
No.
Yeah,
Now that I see.
she's really taller than the other one.
Okay.
Okay,
So
let's
I'm
go.
going to show you. I'm going to show you the special room where Mommy spread this. Okay.
Okay, let's go, baby, let's go. Yeah. Come on, follow the leader, remember? Follow the leader. Follow the leader.
I saw it in the parking lot. We're going to follow the leader.
Oh, follow the leader, Samantha. Follow the leader. Follow the leader.
They are so
Thank
cute.
you.
They are so adorable.
Follow the leader.
Good morning, Mrs. Pryor.
Come on.
Perfect. Now we're going to come around and there's a special room here.
Oh, yeah, wow.
There you go. You can
See?
come check out this room and see all the cool things that are in
Remember?
there.
Thank you. Okay, I'll just. Okay,
In shortly.
okay. Let's sit down here for a while. There you go. Good job, girls. I'm so proud of you. So, what color of donut you want next time? Pink. And how about you, Alex? Okay, let's wait for the doctor.
Look away. I was only gonna stand up. Mommy, this is your special room.
This is a special room for babies.
Mommy.
See? It's the sanitizer and you make like this. There you go. Okay, I'll share. You share. And rub-a-dub-dub. One more. Rub-a-dub-dub. Okay. And it's mommy's turn. Good job. So, good morning! So, the twins went for their doctor's appointment during COVID and just an annual checkup. So, we're here and we're done. So, they got what did you get for treat? Timmy's! Tim Hortons Donuts! Say bye-bye, friends! Is it fun? Is it scary to see the doctor? Yeah? They get scared a little bit because, you know, when twins, they're not used with other people, so it's okay. They need to see the doctor anyway. So try this para we know they are healthy, and sabi naman ng doctor everything is fine. So that's it for now. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
So now we're here at the pump station. I'm filling my gas, and then later what's next? We're going to do the it's done na. Ay, hindi pa pala tapos. So I'm filling the gas. Actually, I have work today, but kahit 1 hour lang. We're going to do the car wash. Filling the gas. So we're going now. To the car. We're done with the gas station. And now we're going to the car wash. Yes. We have to wait. It said it's stop. Was it, baby? Yeah. No, you're fine. See? And then I think there's bubbles. There's a soap. Wow! Isn't that cool? Is it cool? See? Soap everywhere. Now you're fine. See?
Mommy, we're hiding.
We're hiding. What's next?
Mommy, it's a stop.
You wait because the machine will rinse Mommy's car.
What in the machine, Mom?
We're inside the car wash. Are you trying to touch this, Alex?
There's still more like
So now it's rinsing time. The other car wash that we went to last time, there's a different color, right? That's so cool, isn't it? Now it's polishing time. I think this is the different color, is it not? See, that's the different color. It's the rainbow color.
whoa, it's rainbow. It's in the wheel.
You can't believe.
When the rainbow.
Smelling good, isn't it? Cool.
It's the rainbow color. I can smell it.
Smells good. Is it amazing? What's next? Yeah. I know. Now it's that turtle wax. It's waxing. No, now it's a spot-free rinse. Now we're going forward. It says forward. Now the big blow. No, there's a number. Now we have to dry our mommy's car properly. That's it, done. Say that. Oh, done.